Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Tech Gamers World. In this video, we're going to be unboxing, reviewing, and trying out a waterproof mobile phone pouch from Unbreakcable. Super excited to check this out, so let's get it started. So I'm heading to a water park this weekend, and I need to have my mobile phone on me to be able to keep in touch with the kids, because as we know, when you go to a water park, they're always kind of crazy, and it's easy to lose track of them. So if I have my phone on me and they have theirs with them, we'll be able to keep in touch as needed. So I went online and looked up Unbreakable's waterproof pouch, and it looked pretty good. So I figured I would get one and try it out. So this is the box that it came in. It is your basic minimalistic packaging box. It says on the back here, it's a universal waterproof case. This is a 2-pack. It's IPX8 waterproof, which is a standard. It has a safety locking seal, adjustable neck strap, and is touch friendly. So that's what I'm curious to see, is how well the touch friendly aspect of this works. So let's open it up here. So I will be using this with an Apple mobile phone. So here is the two pouches that came with the phone. As you can see here, they come wrapped in plastic, and inside is instructions on how to open it and install your phone. So we'll be trying that out here. And there are wrist straps, which we'll put on as well. So we'll go ahead and put that down here. And we will put this one off to the side and just use one. So let's go ahead here and take it out of its plastic wrapping. And the same thing for the strap here. All right, there's the strap. So as you can see, the strap is nice and long, so it can go around your neck or on your wrist, depending on which you prefer. So I'll probably be putting it around my neck for the most part. So we'll put the strap off to the side there. So here is the case. So it says to undo the case, you flip open these tabs, just like that, and then flip the pouch open. So just like so. So we've got it open here. And as you can see, the instruction manual slides out, which we'll take a look at here. Looks pretty basic. It's not really that complicated. You just undo it, slide your phone in, and then reseal it. Various instructions in different languages here. It says how to use. Open the safety buckle inward. Put your phone into waterproof case. Attention, devices larger than 7.0 inches are not supported. Squeeze the air out of the bag. Close the safety buckle of the waterproof case. For convenient carrying, attach the neck strap to the waterproof case. Please conduct a safety test before using. Follow using the steps to insert one tissue into the waterproof bag and drop it in the water for 30 minutes. Then take it out to check whether the tissue is wet. Don't use if the tissue is wet and contact us immediately for a replacement. Check the neck strap and the safety buckle of the waterproof case after each use. To avoid touching strong shock or sharp objects to the waterproof case during use. All right. Well, it says they recommend testing it with tissues. We're not going to do that here. We're just going to test it with a mobile phone. So as I said, I've got an Apple iPhone 11 here that I use. As you can see, it works and is fully operational. So we're going to go ahead here and test this phone out. So it said to install it. We're just going to go ahead here, slide it in to the case, just like so. So again, this case fits up to 7 inches for the phone. So there we are, inside the case. and then it said to connect this back. So we got to put that in, clip that, put that in, clip that. It looks like it's sealed. Oh, you know what I did? I just realized I put it in an upside down. Let's go ahead here and fix that real quick. I see the phone goes in this way because of the camera hole. So that's my fault. Go ahead here and put that back in that way. And close that. Make sure all the air's out like they said. Close that side. So there we go. So we've got the camera on this side now, as you can see. And we've got the phone here. So the screen works. Look at that. Go in the App Store. Here you have to push a little harder, obviously. But it's working, which is nice. We've got our phone here. So let's test out the camera. Looking at it there. Pretty nice. All right, so let's go ahead here and attach the strap, shall we? So the strap's pretty easy to install. You're just gonna go ahead here and do it just like so. So now it hangs just like that. Pretty self-explanatory. You can see to adjust the strap, it gets longer, and then you pull it this way. Here, it gets shorter, so you can make a wrist strap however you want. So now that comes the fun. We're gonna test this out in nothing other than a pool. We've got an above ground pool here with 7,000 gallons of chlorinated water. So let's go ahead here and test out the unbreakable mobile phone waterproof case inside a pool and see if it's actually waterproof. So here we go. All right. So we'll be filming this here with a GoPro Hero 12. So let's see. She floats, which is nice. Submerge it under the water here. You can see we've got it under the water here. You let it go, it floats up to the top. You can see the back, the front. Do that again here. Let it sit for a little bit here. I'll hold it under the water again. All right, that should be good. So let's go ahead now and take it back over and see how dry the phone is. Get it back set up in position here. All right. Let's see how the phone did. So to open it, go like this, pull this forward, slide the phone out. It is dry as a bone. Beautiful. That is awesome. This is going to be great for my adventures at water parks, at the beach, in the ocean, wherever. So again, this is the Unbreakable Mobile Phone Waterproof Pouch from Unbreakable. Comes in a dual pack, as you can see, so you get two. I'll put the link to this product in the description for this video, and I hope everyone enjoyed this video. As always, if you have any questions or comments, please drop it down below, and I will do my best to get it answered for you. Thanks a lot, everybody. If you can click that like button and subscribe to Tech Gamers World, I'm always going to have new and exciting content coming soon. Thanks a lot, everybody, and I will see you around. Have a good one.